At Hero for Hire, one of the questions we get asked a lot is it hard to do the Tony Stark beard? So we thought we'd do a real quick video today to show you just how to shape your beard to look like Tony Stark. There's a few different variations of Tony Stark's beard. Figure out which one that you want, and also figure out which one's gonna make sense for you based on the way that your hair goes in. For me, I've gotta go a little bit wider out on both sides, but it turns out that it's basically one razor width on each side. That'll give me the angle that I need down here, but it also allows me to get that angle over here. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've cleaned up some of the major areas that aren't really critical for the Tony Stark tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start pulling out the shape. The edger that we've got here, and it's just not a very expensive blade. As long as you're going carefully with it, it won't give you the exact control of a straight razor, but I've never had the courage to use a straight razor. So I'll go in nice and close as I can with the big edges, and then I'm going to go in and clean it up with the sides, with the edger afterwards. And there you go. That's your basic shape. There might still be a little bit more cleanup that we need to do. But the next step, if you're middle-aged like myself, the next step is going to be dyeing it. And what the dye is going to do is it's going to help fill in any last little patches. It's going to obviously hide some of the gray that's in there, and it's going to deepen it up, and it's going to help it to look better in pictures.